Hey friends, welcome or welcome back to the Cook's Cottage. Today, we're going to be going in my laundry room and giving this space a whole new look. So if that's something you're interested in, then just keep watching. So, like in every space in my home, you guys know I love to make it feel cozy, love to make it feel lived in. And if I can add a touch of cottage, I'm all over it. So, my vision for this space is along this long wall, I would like to add a beadboard similar to what's in my entryway. And then I'm going to go ahead and dabble in something I've never done before. I'm going to attempt to wallpaper. Okay. This could go one of two ways, really good or really bad. I've watched two YouTube videos on it, so I'm basically qualified to share my knowledge with you guys. And you guys can learn from my experience. If I do absolutely terrible, well, it is what it is. So, because I've never wallpapered before, I'm going to go ahead and start by doing the wall behind the washer and dryer first because my lovely husband risked his life once again to pick up another Facebook Marketplace item for me. This beautiful wood shelf is going to go over here above the washer and dryer. So if it looks absolutely terrible, don't worry, this beauty is going to cover up all the flaws. Okay. And then if it's easy peasy lemon squeezy, which I don't think it's going to be, but if it is, then we're going to go ahead and wallpaper above the beadboard. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get to it. Like I said, I have never, ever wallpapered a day in my life. Okay. But your girl's pretty crafty and pretty handy. You might be asking yourself, do I have all the gizmos and gadgets? Nope. Here's what I got. We have wallpaper that says it's a two-person job, right labeled right on the outside. Am I going to listen to that? Nope. Talked about this before. I'm an impulsive girly, and when I set my mind to a project, you best believe I'm going for it. We got a putty knife because I don't have one of those fancy wallpaper tools. But you know what? That's okay because this will do. A credit card, you could use a credit card. Ingenuity, folks. And from a sourdough in days, we got a razor. We got a razor. What could go wrong? So let's do this thing. All right, guys. The wallpaper is up and the vision is changed. Are we even surprised? I told you guys, I'm so visual. I got to see it. I got to see it in the space. So, love the wallpaper. Took me 3 hours to put up, felt like 3 business days. All right. I do think that wood cabinet is going to be perfect in that space. I think it's going to add a nice pop of color, but we're going to add some more color. The space is just still too white and bright for me, and I want cozy and moody and cottagey, right? So here's the plan, new plan. Okay. We're keeping the doors white. I'm eating my words about that. I'm gonna have to repaint them though because they are seriously grimy. We're gonna sling some accessible beige paint on all the walls. Okay. All the walls. We are going to add all that cozy and warmth with the decor. Now, trust me on this. I know that this room doesn't look like there's much hope, you guys, but I can see it. Now I have the vision. I got it in my head. So let's do it. I hope you guys love this makeover as much as I do. I think this space turned out absolutely beautiful. It totally was my vision come to life. If you guys did enjoy this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I also have more home makeover videos. I have a whole playlist. If you guys are interested, you can go ahead and take a peek. I'll go ahead and tag it down below. Other than that, I would love to have you guys long term at the Cook's Cottage. So if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. But that's going to do it for this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.